Greetings and welcome to another video. Today we will be talking about how to manifest on a specific day. Many of you have been wondering if you can actually manifest on a specific day. Whenever time is pressuring and you just want your manifestation on a specific day, Neville Goddard in the book Your Faith is Your Fortune and in the chapter Interval of Time gives us a small hack on how to manifest on a particular day, and I'm going to share it with you today. But don't forget, if you enjoy our content and find it useful, you can always consider subscribing, liking the videos, and of course turning the notification bell on. And also, if you need any help navigating throughout the video, you can always find the timestamps in the description down below. But now it's time to get started. Neville knew that even if we go to the desired state, and if we don't manifest the desire immediately, we tend to lose faith and return to the previous state, filled with disappointment and disbelief. This hack consists of 3 steps and is very easy to do, and near the end of the video I'm going to give you some very important tips on these steps, so stay tuned until the end. So now I'm going to show you how this works. I am sure that all of you have experienced days that did not feel like they were supposed to. For example, a slow and quiet Monday would feel like a Sunday or the opposite. This is exactly what this technique is based upon. Let me explain. Now let's see the first step. Decide when to manifest. Neville gives us the example of wanting to manifest something by Sunday, even if today was Wednesday. You only care about the desire without asking yourself how the desire will be manifested. Also, you should give the desire a reasonable amount of time to be manifested. In our example, it's 5 days. But you are the one to set the reasonable time interval. The second step is to set the senses to the current day. As Neville mentioned, set out Wednesday and let in Sunday. But how do you actually do that? You actually believe that it is Sunday. If Sundays are slow and quiet, this is how it should feel. You should feel whatever Sundays represent to you. And now for the third step, we have the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Now, after setting off Wednesday and having the feeling that it is Sunday, you should feel as if whatever you desired on Wednesday is now realized. You should feel the joy and excitement of the fulfillment of your desire and be convinced that it is real. After that, you can return to Wednesday where you left off. Now I'm going to give you some of the important tips I mentioned earlier. Now, after these 3 steps, you should have the feeling of expectancy, and as Neville calls it, a joyful expectancy for the realization of the desire on the following Sunday. And that because you already have materialized the desire in your consciousness on Sunday. As the following days come, have the belief that the desire will be realized by Sunday, and nothing should disturb you from the persuasion that the desire will have been realized by Sunday. Also, the interval of time should feel natural. Do not try to shorten the interval because you want to manifest fast. And that was the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, consider subscribing. Also, you can always leave your suggestions and comments down below. Thanks for watching.